Let's open up my new Mr. Game & Watch Amiibo from the Super Smash Bros. Line. This one comes with 3 additional poses, so you can customize them a bit. And he's got generic compatibility with tons of different games, but specific compatibility with 9 different games, including Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, WarioWare Gold, Poochie and Yoshi's Woolly World, Kirby Planet Robobot, Chibi Robo Ziplash, Super Mario Maker, Yoshi's Woolly World, Super Smash Bros. For Wii U, and Super Smash Bros. For 3DS. He'll do things like unlocking different costumes or giving player items or power-ups, something like that. And that is as of 2026. Nintendo sometimes adds more as the years go on. I like these different poses. You got the hammer pose with the numbers, you've got the parachute, you've got him, I guess, yelling, and you've got him ringing the bell. Pretty fun to be able to swap them back and forth. Mr. Game & Watch is kind of unique as opposed to the rest of the Smash Bros. Roster because he's not actually one specific character from one specific game. He's really a blend or a mix of a bunch of different Game & Watch characters that were very generic and all looked pretty similar. He's sort of a mix of characters from very early Game & Watch titles like Fire, Manhole, and Ball. But in putting them all together, he became a pretty recognizable character for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Speaking of which, let's make a figure player out of him. I'm going to scan him in, and when I create a figure, I can give it a name, I can customize the look, and then I can train it in my playstyle. This figure player can then go out and battle other figure players on the internet and gather resources and level up, and it's kind of a cool extension of the Super Smash Bros. Game. The process of creating a figure player is pretty easy. You just follow the steps on screen and it'll walk you through it. If you find that process daunting, well, you can see how easy it was for me. Anyways, I like this figure, it goes really well with the rest of my Super Smash Bros. Amiibos, and I hope you consider it for your Amiibo collection as well.